This is the Retro Computer Museum in Leicester. Let's go and have a look inside. This is a charity. It was founded 18 years ago. That's Super Mario. Here's the admission prices. You pay to enter. Oh, look at all these. Some rarities in here. Those boards and different game cubes there. Panasonic. Nolan. Video pinball. The development kit. Little handheld games. Mothers there. Look at that. CD-ROM entertainment. And this is the shop bit, so we can get food and all buy other various little bits and pieces. All different bits, sweets. Got a sweet tooth, you'll like this. Oh, parts of PlayStation stuff and mugs. Various other bits and pieces. Oh, there's even popcorn. Now let's have a look in the main room. Floppy disk drive. Who remembers a floppy disk drive in a Sinclair Spectrum 3? Oh, Mega Drive, Sonic, I remember those games. Commodore 64. Looks like it's got a Donkey Kong game in. Ooh, Atari. Look at that. Nintendo Wii. Technically that's classed as retro. All these Sinclair keyboards and Amigas. Colourful Amiga there. Commodore VIC-20. Oh. Atari 1040. Lemmings. Oh, I remember. That's a really good game. VicPac computer, Philips. PlayStation 1 there. Different games. Sega Dreamcast with little board there. House of the Dead game there. And who remembers this? Oh, look at that. Teletext. Sinclair Spectrum. Oh, quite a few signatures on this as well. Chucky Egg. Captain Einstein. ZX81. And a NES. PlayStation 3, I think it is. CPC 4. And a Spectrum. Project ZX81. Oh, Pong. Who remembers Pong? Amiga, Commodore. Manic Miner game on here at the moment. PlayStation 2. A SNES, Super Nintendo. Oh, a Pokemon. Pokemon Nintendo 64, I think it is. Yeah. GameCube. And look at all these RCM, it's Retro Computer Museum. All the little, these are all little Spectrum and Sinclair games, Commodore, cassettes. They've been neatly put in to make the event. Oh, here's the owner.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, say hi.
Hello, you alright?
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for making this place so awesome.
No problem, thank you for coming.
I think this is the Quake room, isn't it?
It is, but it's also like a function room as well, because when we've not got the PCs out,
yeah.
we'll put the machines out. Like in a couple of weeks, we'll have MSXs in it.
Oh, so yeah, MSX is in here in a couple of weeks then.
Yeah, we've got the main guy coming, Nishi, from Japan, coming to say hello on the 27th.
Oh, that'd be brilliant.
Yes,
and I've already got a ticket for your...
20th.
For the 20th,
yeah.
And it's like, wow, I might have to come back for the other one.
Yeah, it's well worth it, I think.
Yeah, another old computer there, and let's go and have a look at the arcade. Oh, take a quick peek in here. This is where they have functions like and events. Now let's check the arcade. Oh, sorry.
No, that's fine. That's what we'll get clean.
Oh, and say hi to the camera.
Hello. Welcome to RCM.
Yeah. So how long have you been volunteering here then?
It's been about 2 months now, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm still learning the ropes right now, but hopefully I'll learn soon.
Yeah. All this different arcade games and bits and pieces, and there's VRs, and I believe there's one with a real board in. A machine with a real board. There's pinball as well. Here's the real board. Anyone know which board this is?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah. Yeah. You can see the logo there, Bomberman.
That was crashed.
Looks like the Killer Instinct 2's. Oh, best wishes, Pete
Fox.
Pete Cox.
He's one of the people that created it.
Oh, that's brilliant.
He works for Rare.
That's brilliant. Another machine here, and Astro Wars. Oh, there's signatures on there as well. And a four player. Yeah. Xbox 360. Who remembers the Xbox 360? Oh, brilliant pinball. Something for everybody here. So come check it out. Sega Hang-On. Arcade classics. There's looks like a Street Fighter game on there. Xbox One. 4-player driving game here. Outrun. The outrun one. Yeah. Thanks for letting me do the video. Yeah. Now they'll head back out the arcade and back into the main building. Atari 800. Ooh, look at this Amstrad. Commodore. Old PC and Master System. It's like the Aladdin game. Boards here. Ooh. If you're still watching at this point, thank you for watching. Cheap food and drinks available as well. All good prices. They've got a library at the moment, but unfortunately it's not open at the moment. Hopefully at a later date I'll be able to get that as well.
You will. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay. Thanks. Thanks for watching, everybody.